COVID did really, I suppose, is it enabled a lot of consumers to really deal with their different purchases, via the internet, from home and so on. And travel was really no exception of that. What customers want to be able to do is to book, see availability, see price and so on. They want to have the same type of experience as they do with things like Amazon now. When they book something in Amazon, they can go and see when it's going to get delivered, what the price was and so on. So they want that type of experience with travel. In our session, one of the things we're going to cover really is our experience of implementing customer portals, talking about, some of the operational things they need to do to change their business, to be able to talk to a customer via a customer portal. And when you have customers being able to feed information in and ask questions and so on, 24/7, then you definitely need an infrastructure behind it. I think any company that is really trying to think about its kind of digital strategy going forward should be attending this session.